In this video, we're going to show you how to reset the oil life on your Hyundai Elantra. Now, sitting in the driver's seat here, your vehicle may have the push button or the ignition key style. If you have the push button, go ahead and press that 2 times and it's going to go ahead and turn on your dash display here. Now on the steering wheel, we're going to come up here to the little menu and we're going to press that. And it's going to cycle over to a service in, and you can use the up and down arrow to cycle through. Now normally once you get to the service in screen here, it's probably going to come back to the vehicle is on button. Just press the OK again. Now at this point here, it's going to tell you that you're due for your oil change. Just press and hold the OK button, and when you hold it, it's going to reset it to the mileage, which is the 5,000 miles and or the 152 days, whatever that you have it set at for days and mileage. It could be months that is programmed for. All that programming can be done on the steering wheel itself as well. But at that point there, once you press and hold that button and it resets it, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.